So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install macOS 26 beta. So Apple recently launched macOS 26 in WWDC event. This update is currently available as beta version. And if you want to check out all its features, then you can install macOS 26 beta. So let's see how you can do this. So first of all, press the Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. This will open Spotlight Search. Now here search for System Settings and press the return key to open it. Now here on the left pane, click on General. Then on the right side, click on Software Update. Now here you will see various options. Here click on this I button next to Beta Updates. Now here click on this drop down menu. Now from here select macOS 26 Developer Beta. Once done, click on Done button. Now wait until this check for the updates. Now this might take a few minutes. Now as you can see here, macOS 26 beta update is available. And here you will get these two options, upgrade tonight and upgrade now. So here click on upgrade now. Now click on agree. After this enter your Mac's password. Click on OK. Now this will start downloading the update. Wait until the process is completed. So once the update is downloaded, your Mac will automatically restart and install the update. Now as you can see here, the update is installed on my Mac. To check it, open the system settings. Now here click on General and then click on About. Now as you can see here, this says macOS 26 beta. So this is how I can install macOS 26 beta without any issues. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.